Hi guys, this is Angel from AT Precision Pressure Washing. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a swivel on your Titan reel. This is a swivel here. Common problem, they'll start leaking, especially if you're using chlorine. They'll start leaking all over the place, damaging your equipment. I'm going to show you how to change the O-rings and the plastic rings that are inside the swivel. First, there's going to be a few items you're going to need. Right, there's going to be a ring here. A ring, I don't know if you can see it, has two little holes. You're going to need a reverse pair of pliers. Right, reverse pair of pliers, they open the opposite way. Right, when you release, they pull out. Right, those two pins there, we're going to go into those two little holes that you see here. Right. Also, you're going to need a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Right, and I'll show you how to start taking this apart. There are two O-rings, one here, and 4 plastic rings. Those plastic rings, just take them apart. So come and notice that this is not broken. That's the way the rings come in order to fit and slide in there. So you would take that O-ring out, that sealer out. You would take the other one out. There's 2 of them. Notice that they're all kind of beat up. Right? And then there's an O-ring that needs to be replaced. So it looks pretty good, but we're going to replace the whole set. We're going to take that out. Right, there's an O-ring. You can purchase a replacement repair kit on Amazon. I'll show you a link on that. And you're going to replace both sides, here and here. And then you're going to put everything back. Put this back. Put this washer back. And remember the reverse pliers. That also goes back. And with that repair kit, you should have no more leaks. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my page for more helpful tips.